How to blur photo in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to blur the photo in Android, simply launch the Google Photos application on your device and select a picture. As you can see on the screen, I've already selected picture, and at the bottom of the screen you can see there are four options over here: share, edit, lens and trash. So just tap on edit, and as you tap on edit, it will give you other options over here. You can see that there are suggestions, crop, tools over here. So tap on tools, and when you tap on tools you can see these three options: blur, unblur and magic eraser. So tap on blur and it will start to blur out the picture over here. Now you can select the area where you want to blur it out in the picture, so just wait, and you can select the depth as well. So you can just decrease the depth if you do not want it that blur, and after that you can just intensify or just decrease the intensity. And as you do that, tap on done and tap on save copy, and that's how you blur photo on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.